front camera I've set on 1440p resolution, and the back camera I have it set on 1080p. Of course, they make the mount different. It slides in to the from the side, as opposed to the 119, which slides in from the the front. Of course, they have to make it not compatible with the other one, so you can't use the old mount with the new camera. Of course, because why would they do that? They gotta make their money, right? But whatever. The back camera it detaches from the mount, just like the front camera. It's got its own little mount. You can slide it off and detach it. Yeah, I really like this camera though. It's a little bigger, a little heavier than the 119, but not by much. The button layout is a little bit different, but it's cool. I'm running a CPL filter on the front camera, but not the back one, to try and reduce the glare. I'm sure in the back you can see my rear speaker grill. I might put a CPL filter on the back one too. See how that goes. The only problem is it looks a little bit darker at night. What if he has to make a sharp turn? It's over. Does that look secure to you? Huh. Oh man, he hits a pothole or something, that stuff's gonna go flying. Well, one issue I had with this camera, this new camera, it's a dual dash cam, right? So when I hit the emergency button to record an event, only the front camera would record to the, the RO folder, the emergency folder. Sometimes the back camera wouldn't record, so that I only have the front file. Even if something happened in the back, I wouldn't have that footage because whatever reason it would become lost. The back camera wouldn't record it. So I don't know, I did a firmware update from version 1.5 that the camera came with to version 1.8. So today's the 2nd of August 2022. I got the camera yesterday. It came with version 1.5, the software, the firmware. So I upgraded today I looked it up online, upgraded it to version 1.8, and I haven't had that problem since. It records both the front and the back to the RO folder now. So if anyone's running into an issue where your camera doesn't record, so try a firmware update first before returning it or before panicking. So try doing that, and also make sure your connections are good. Your wire connections to the back camera, back view, front and back view. There you go. You go stop recording before anything. You can do anything. Okay, so stop recording. Now it's gonna start beeping really annoyingly. I promise I'll go through this quick. That annoying beep. Video resolution. You can adjust all these different settings. Bit rate, the quality, all these different things. I'm not gonna sit there and go through all these because this beeping is annoying the living crap out of me. But anyhow, it's easier to do it on the phone, I guess, than it is in the camera. You can synchronize where's the synchronized time thing? Time zone, make sure that's right. Time synchronization, there you go. Synchronize the time with your phone. So you don't have to sit there screwing around with the settings and the dash cam. So, done. So, I'm gonna get out of this. It's beeping. Okay, hit record again. Alright, so, what do I think of this thing? Good quality in the front, good quality in the back. Surprisingly, because a lot of the dash cams I had, the quality looked like shit in the back. But this one seems to be really good. I'm impressed. Oh, I'm using a CPL filter on the front one. It's a little bit darker at night and in low light, sort of. Maybe it's cloudy outside or overcast, but it seems to be all right. Yeah, I like this thing a lot. I'm switching out from the old what do you call it? The V119 V3 that I had, and I'm switching out, to this A129. I think it's got the same sensor as Sony Starvis, or the camera, and the same, I believe it's a Novatech processor. I'm not sure what the number is, but yeah, very similar performance. That's the front camera I'm talking about. The back camera, good quality. Seems to be all right, 1080p. I'm sure it's not going to look great at night or anything, but that goes for all these cameras with small sensors. I've only had it for like a day, but so far I like it. Seems to be reliable. It hasn't shut off or anything. They tell me it uses a capacitor, a super capacitor, instead of a battery, so it should be better. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on and show you some daytime and some nighttime footage. All right. And there's a Nissan Pathfinder racing towards the stop sign.